You can find coriander seeds very easily in Japan in DAISO for 50 cents. The coriander seed is brown, which is different from the one I got from Thailand, which is red. I guess it's just a different types of coriander, Phakchi or Cilantro. I also tried to buy the nursery plants from Konan for $2 and try to increase the numbers of coriander plants. However, this is not a good idea because they all die out. I would recommend you to grow coriander from seeds and sow them directly to the tray that you want to grow. Coriander seed is hard and one seed contains 2 coriander plants, so you can also soak the seeds in the water and break them into half before sowing them into the soil. The best time to grow coriander is when it is about 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. The best time to grow in Osaka is from mid-April until August. And when you can harvest the coriander is from June to early November. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.